Hello and welcome to Broadlane Leisure. My name's Adrian and I'm going to demonstrate a Swift doublet control panel 12 volt distribution which is immediately located above the door. It's a very simple system to use. So we've got the power button turned on. It's telling us we're using the leisure battery and that we also have mains electrics present. If I press that view levels, what that will do is bring this one back on, which is the leisure battery side of the distribution. We could be using the engine battery as an alternative supply, so the tow vehicle, in which case we would press that button there and that would give us an indication of how good the battery is on the towing vehicle. But let's go back to the leisure battery. At the moment this is right up on 14 volts, so with the mains on and the charger working, we are getting the supply going to the battery. So I'm just going to hit it again because 12 volts is there. So really, if the battery is in reasonable condition, 12 volt battery should be reading 12 volts. But you might get it read around about 12.5, i.e. there. So anywhere from the 10 up to there is good. But when the charge is operating, then you will see the higher number, 13.5, 14 volts will be illuminated going up. So the higher up the scale it's going, the better the battery is anyway. Hopefully that's self-explanatory. The lower it comes down into the ambers and red is when the battery is losing its energy source and depleting its energy. So we can hit the view levels at any point. That's just a quick reference. The only other button that we have on here is the water pump. Obviously you want to be in control of the water pump system before you turn this switch directly on, so make sure you've got a container of water. The connection goes into the barrel. You make sure all the valves are turned off, i.e. the taps and the drain down valves, and when you're ready you would come inside the vehicle then and operate that switch there, and once you open up a tap the pump would be running. You don't get any visual indicator that that's happening, of course. This is just the water pump switch to say the master switch is on. If you do get that little light illuminate on the car symbol, that means we're drawing off the vehicle battery. This one's saying we're drawing off the leisure battery. And that is as simple as that panel needs to be. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you found the video useful.